Hello friends, this video is a supporting video to my earlier video on stock analysis where we fetch important stock parameters from Screener's website. Many viewers were facing problem in fetching data from Screener's website using the formula that were provided in that Google Sheet. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to frame the formula for these parameters and we'll understand that how we can fetch data that is available on Screener's website. So let's get started. Many times I've answered in the comments that instead of copying formula from my Google Sheets, you should frame the formula as described in the video. So if you do that, then I don't think that the formula will not work. So straight away, I'm coming to the point that if you are not getting result, if you get response as not available, so there is a possibility that Screener's website might have changed the position of those fields that are present on that web page. So as an example, suppose I want to fetch any data using XPath expression, we use formula called import XML. So we write this import XML and we specify that from which URL I want to fetch the data. I'm explaining this for the URL that is present in C4 location. So we write import XML and $C4. So I'm fixing the column C so that whenever I copy this formula in the following cells, the formula will get updated automatically. The formula is going to pick up the correct cell value. So here in the import XML formula as the second parameter, we are going to write XPath query. So the formula I have already updated for this fourth row. So this is my updated formula. So let me show that how to find out this XPath express. So I'll explain it for this market capitalization. We open that Skinner's website for Tata Steel. So the pattern is we have this URL and for each and every script, this word would be different. So we go to this page on Skinner's website. And for example, I want to fetch this market cap in my Google Sheet. So let us find out XPath expression for that. So we just right click here for the market cap value, right click and we select here inspect. Once you do that on the right hand side or at the bottom, elements tab will get open. So this is actually developers tool that is provided by each and every browser. I am working this on Microsoft Edge browser, but it will work on Google Chrome also and any other browser because all modern browsers support developers tool. So here this element is corresponding to what is displayed on this web page. So what we have to do, we right click on this value, then we hover on this copy, another sub menu will be open and from there we select the last one, copy full XPath. So I just copy that, I come back to my Google Sheets and in place of this formula, in place of this old XPath expression, I am going to write new XPath expression. So Control V and just hit enter key and we'll find that the updated formula will work. So this I have done for market capitalization. In the same way, you can also do for other parameters. So let us take one more, ROCE. So let us find out XPath expression for ROCE. So I go to this Skinner's website. Now here is ROCE. ROCE is present here. So just right click, select inspect and on the right hand side you'll see that the element for ROCE value is highlighted. So I go there, right click, copy and I select copy full XPath. Just select it. The XPath is copied on the clipboard. Come back to the Google Sheet and here if it was old formula, I'll just replace it, delete it and Control V and we paste it and we'll find that the value will get updated from Skinner's website. Now those who want to know that what changes have happened in the formula, that is the old formula which are not working, and what change happened in the new formula, I'm going to show that in Notepad. First one is the new formula and the second one is the old formula. So I'm going to copy formula from here, formula bar, Control C, open Notepad. This is my new formula and below I'm writing old formula, so you'll get idea that what change has happened. So I select the second one, Control C and Control V. So now you can see that formula is exactly similar, but there is one change at this position. So this was not working, but in the new formula, the position of the element is div 3. So in the same way, if you see other formula, you'll find that there is little change. So instead of copy pasting formula from my Google Sheet, if you follow the process and frame formula yourself, then I don't think that formula will not work. So that was regarding resolving errors. The formula that were given in the previous sheet were not working, how you can resolve it. Now one important thing is that in this stock analysis, we are relying on Screener's website and we are also relying on this Google Finance function. So it is possible that Screener's website may allow only certain number of requests from one particular machine. So that could be the reason that the formula are taking too much time in loading the result. But we can't do anything for that because we rely on Google as well as Screener's website. So if those websites are not allowing too many requests per second, then yes, in order to get the result, it may take some time. So hope this video will help you to resolve your problem that you are facing while fetching data from Screener's website. Let me know in the comment section whether this video was useful to you and on which other topic you would like to see video on this channel. Thanks for watching and happy learning. We'll see you in the next video.